that is prime factorization and the factors and multiples. In that we started with the prime factorization. In prime factorization we have two types of method, that is tree method and one more is division method. Yes, I told you the method how to solve the tree method, how to solve the division method. We started with the what? Exercise 4.3. Yes, 4.3 we started and we solved so many sums also. The remaining sums we'll do it today and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, before we start, we'll start with a prayer, children. All of you close your eyes, repeat after me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaleshu Sarvada. Okay, now we'll start with the next problems. The division method, that is the division method. Exercise number 4.3. Okay, the division method. 18. Yesterday we did the 18. Now we'll do the 72. 72 also we did, I think. Yes, we did. No, we'll do it once again. Okay, 72. How we have to do? The division method will be like this. 72. We have to see in two table we have 72 or no. In two table. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 2 36 are 30 72. Next 2 1s are 2 2 8s are. Next one 2 9s are 9 is not there in the 3 2 table. It's there in the 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. What we got, children? We got here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3s are how much? 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 2s are 24 3s are 12. 1 6 7. We got what? 72. Exactly, we got 72. Now we'll move on to the next problem, that is 100. Okay, the next problem is 100. We have to do the division method for this also. 100. First we'll start with a 2 table. 2 5s are 10 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are. Okay, now 25 is not there in the 2 table. So we'll move on to the 3 table. We have 25. No. In 4 table we have 25. No. In 5 table we have 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. We got the prime factor. When we get the prime factor now, we have to stop our multiplication. Now multiply these all things. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are how much, children? 25 2s are? Yes? 25 2s are. Multiply, we get 10. 5 50. 50 2s are 100. 50 2s are 100. We got 100? Yes, we got 100. Like this we have to do the division method, children. Is it interesting? For this you have to know the tables. If you don't know the tables, you can't solve it easily. Okay, you can't solve it easily and you will not understand also how to do and how to calculate it in the normal way. Okay, so you have to know the tables. Now we'll move on to the next problem, the fourth one. Next one, fourth one, 54. What is the next one? 54. Okay, 54. Now what we have to do in the 54? We have to write like this, 54. Okay, see in the 2 table we have 54. Check. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now 27 is not there in the 2 table. So in 3 table 27 is there? Yes. 3 9s are 27. Again 9 is there in the 3 table only. So 3 3s are 9. Multiplication of these two numbers. Multiplication of these two numbers we get this. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3. So multiply these all things. miss that. Next one is 280. The next problem is 280. 280. Now, in the 2 table, we'll start with the 2 table only. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 0. 2 sevens are 14, 0. 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. Okay, next. 2 table we have? No. 3 table we have? No. 4 table we have? No. 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7. Now multiply these all numbers, children. What you get? See, you will get the 280 only. So check. You will get that or no? Okay. Check and write it by yourself. I am leaving it for you only. We did all the sums on exercise 4.3, children. We completed the exercise 4.3. Everything, the all problems we solved. Okay. Please copy it in your classwork like this only. How we are solving now, how I did it on the board, like that you have to write in your classwork. Don't miss one question also, one number also. If you miss, the problem will be wrong only. So without missing one number also, copy like this only in your classwork. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next content in your textbook. What they given now? We'll start with that now. Next one. The next is highest common factor. What is the next one? The highest common factor. In the normal language, we say it as a HCF. What is that? HCF. We did now for the division method. Like that it is, but the little bit changes in that. But little bit, not too much. Little bit changes in that. Okay, shall we start that? Okay, the next one is highest common factor, or in the local language we use it as a HCF. Okay, HCF they will give, we did the only one number in the division. In HCF they will give the two numbers to find out the numbers. In this we have a normal number also, like finding only factors also we can do. In HCF we can do it by what? Prime factorization method. We did it division method, now that is the prime factorization method. Now in the HCF we have two types, that is the common way and the another one is prime factorization method to find the HCF. Two methods are there. The normal way I will tell you how. Example, find the HCF of 18 and 13. They given. What we have to do, just find the factors of 18 first. Factors of 18. Factors of 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 18 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 18, 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, 6 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಐತಿ. Again in 9 table, after that the last one it comes in that table only, 18 table ಒಳಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So these are the factors of 18. Now factors of 30. Factors of 30. 30 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? 1 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 30. Okay, 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ, 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ, 5 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ, 6 ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಾಗ, 10, 15 and 30 itself. 30 itself. These all come in the 30. Okay, 30 will come in this all table. Okay, we studied that. Now after getting the factors of both the numbers, we have to see which is the common factor, because name only that the highest common factor. So in these two, which are the common numbers here? This is the common number. 1 is a common because it's there here also and here also. 2 is there here also and there also. 3 is there. Yes. After that 6 is there. Now see, any other numbers are there common? No. How many numbers are there common? Common numbers we have 1, 2, 3 and 6. Which all numbers we have? 1, 2, 3 and 6. These all are what? Common numbers. In that now we have to see which is the highest common number. Which is the highest common, our HCF. That is what? Highest. Which is the highest in these all numbers? In these four numbers, which is the highest number? 6 is the highest number. That is our highest common number of 16, 18 and 30. 18 and 30. How to find out the HCF? It is in the normal way. I am telling it is a normal method. Normal method of finding the HCF it is. Not prime factorization. This is the normal method of finding the highest common factor. We have to see first the factors of 18. After that we have to see the factors of 30. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎರಡೂದ್ರಾಗೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತವನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದರೊಳಗಿನ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Which is the highest na, we have to take that. That will be what our HCF. That will be what our highest common factor. Okay, this is our one problem. We'll do it one more problem on this only. The next problem, 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Now, first one, the factor of 24. In which all table we have 24? In one table we have, in two table we have, in three table we have, four table we have, 6. Yes, in the 6 table we have. After that, in 8, in 12 and 24 itself. In 24 itself. Okay, now like that we have to see the factors of 36. Factors of 36. 36 is there in the one table, two table. If you don't know tables, we can't solve this type of problems only. So you have to practice tables. One table, two table, three table we have 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and that number itself. Okay, we got this many. Now write the common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors here? 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor, 4 is the common factor, 6 is the common factor. Next, 12 is the common factor. Okay, so I am writing it here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the common factors we got. In the both numbers we have these all numbers. Now, the highest common factor will write. Highest common factor. Which is highest in these all numbers? 12 is the highest common factor. 12 is the highest common factor. Okay. Now we got 12 is the highest common factor of 24 and 36. Like this we have to find out the highest common factors of numbers. Okay, this is the normal method, children. Now we'll go on to the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, now we'll move on to the prime factorization method to find out the HCF. Next one, turn the page number. Prime factorization method. I am writing it here. Prime factorization method is same like a division method. Prime factorization method to find out the HCF. It is same like a division method only. We did it in the first in the prime factorization methods, different methods. It's same like that only, but little changes in that. So Find the HCF of the first problem. I am telling you 54 and 72. Here we are taking two numbers to find the common factor. To find the common factors, we want two numbers only. One numbers in the common factors silangilla. So we have to take the two numbers, then only we can take the common factors. 54 and 24 is there. Here we have to take a row and columns. Two row and columns we have to. 72 also and 54 also. First we'll start from 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. Okay. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. That time we did this. Okay, 54. Now 72 also we did that time. We start with a 2 only. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. We got these two numbers. Now what we have to do? We have to write these two numbers. What all we got? 54 we got. I'm writing it here. I will make a space here. I'm rubbing and writing once again. Okay. 72. Okay. 2, 236, 218, 29, 33, 3 1. Okay, we got this one. Now I am writing the factors of 54. 54 we got 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 72 we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Which are the common factors here? 2 is the common factor. In both number we have 2. After that 3 we have both the side. One more 3 we have in the both the sides. How many numbers we have? 2 into 3 into 3. These three numbers are the common factors. Now what we have to do? Multiply these all numbers. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are how much, children? 18. 18 is our HCF. We have to do like this here. That time what we did? We did the common factors. ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We get what? One number. That is the HCF of these two numbers. HCF of that two numbers. The method is little bit changed in this. The first number method I told you that time. The only we have to take the highest common factors. After that we have to what we have to do? We have to just write the highest number in that. But here what we have to do? We have to take the common factors. After taking the common factors, we have to multiply that numbers. We are not taking the highest number here. We are just multiplying the numbers and we will get the number now. That will be what? Our HCF. That will be what? Our HCF. Like this we will solve the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, so many sums are there in your textbook. We'll do it in the next class, children. Please practice this. Don't get confused. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.